Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let me share with you the best method to manage risk with Cash App stocks. Alright, so the best method to manage risk with Cash App stocks is of course diversification and discipline. You want to avoid placing all of your funds into a single stock, no matter how promising it appears. Spread investments across different companies or sectors to reduce exposure to sudden price drops. Set personal limits on how much you're willing to invest and never exceed them during emotional market movements. Reinvest cautiously and avoid chasing losses. Be sure to pay attention to market trends without overreacting to daily fluctuations. Risk management is about consistency and restraint, not constant activity. Protecting capital should always come before seeking rapid gains. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.